Hey, this video is to inform you that we don't give customer support on WhatsApp anymore because WhatsApp don't give us all options we want, like uploading full video tutorial or sharing full video tutorial helping our users. If you want to get email word applications, downloading, purchasing, or to do business with me, contact me in person or call me or any of my team member. Is on Telegram. If you're watching this video, check my Telegram link below this video and join me on Telegram. On Telegram is where we have all options and all access to give you good experience using email word, using my applications, and getting you good experience on my community. We also have Telegram chat group, Telegram video room, and Telegram channel for update. All we need is there to make sure you feel at home using email word. We are so sorry for late response on WhatsApp, but if you are watching this video, join me on Telegram right now and you're going to get fast response and fast help.